Maintenance of a heat pump is an incredibly important aspect when you consider buying a heat pump. One has to understand that a heat pump is not like a simple Dorf geyser that's got an element in it, it's got an electrical connection, and that's about it. A heat pump is far more complex. It's got a large amount of moving parts inside it. It's got a large amount of complication and electronics in it. It's got gases. It's got pressurized levels that it needs to maintain. It has scaling that takes place within the unit, and descaling needs to happen on a regular basis. Most importantly, if you don't have an annual service on your heat pump, not only do you lose performance, but 9 out of 10 of the manufacturers will immediately void the warranty on it. If you understand the complexities around the warranty components of a heat pump and what is the warranty duration on all the bits and pieces, it very much seems like a motor vehicle. It's not just one component that works. It's not just a heat pump. It's an entire collection of bits and pieces. So it is incredibly important to maintain a heat pump annually. You're probably looking at a cost of somewhere in the region of about 1,200 to 1,500 Rand per annum to service a heat pump. You can probably get it for cheaper, as you can do with anything. But if you want to descale it properly and do the job properly, you're looking in the region of about 1,200 to 1,500. A lot of it is visual checking and checking to see that the pressures are right, checking to see that the gases are at the right levels. And then the descaling of the system, as I mentioned. But it is absolutely critical to maintain your heat pump, make sure that it's working properly, and make sure that all the warranties remain intact for all the various components within the heat pump. And that should see you with a good performing heat pump for years.